In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived chats in WhatsApp Web. If you've ever moved a chat to the archive section and can't seem to find it, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate to your archived chats with ease. Let's start by opening your chats on WhatsApp Web. You'll want to begin by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the WhatsApp web page. Once there, ensure your phone is connected by scanning the QR code if you haven't logged in yet. You should now see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Look towards the top right corner of the chat list. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a drop-down menu with several different options to choose from. Within this menu, you will see the option labeled Archived. Give that a click and it will take you directly to your archived chats. Once you've selected Archived, you will see a list of all the chats you have archived in the past. This list acts like a folder, storing your archived conversations ready for when you need to revisit them. Interacting with these chats is just like your regular chat list. You can click on any conversation to reopen it, read previous messages, and even send new ones. If you wish to move a chat back to the regular list, simply click on the chat, and you'll see the usual options at the top. Choosing to unarchive will restore it to your main chat list, allowing you to keep the conversation front and center if it becomes active again. It's worth noting that archiving a chat on WhatsApp Web doesn't delete the conversation. Instead, it merely moves it into this separate section to help keep the main chat area tidy. This is especially handy for organizing ongoing conversations, letting you easily access important threads without wading through older, less pertinent ones. Remember, keeping your chat interface clean and organized can significantly enhance your productivity, speed up communication, and ensure you never miss crucial messages. Now, you can manage your archived messages with confidence, restoring them as necessary, or leaving them tucked away until needed. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to efficiently find and manage your archived chats on WhatsApp Web, enhancing your user experience and ensuring you stay on top of all your communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.